going on, everybody? Got this new camera. Let me turn it around, make sure we're recording here. This little teeny camera. Now, I'm testing it for sound quality and video quality. It's been raining out. I mean, this camera that we're on right now is waterproof. I got it for the summer in case I accidentally drop you in a creek. But I got my other camera with me also. So let's see how good this camera works here. We're in Berea at a waterfall. I'll turn you back around. Now, I never used this before. So I hope you're hearing me very well, and I hope it's taking good video. I am going to make another video here with my regular camera. But we're going to take a walk. I got my other camera in my... I guess I better hold on to it. We're gonna take a little journey with this new camera. We're gonna head down this trail. This is a really nice waterfall. It's really cool. Yeah, this camera that we're recording on now is very small. Yeah, it's a little bit of a... You see my other videos, you know me. Don't mind the shakiness. I'm going to show you what we're walking on right now here. It's like root steps. I just hope the quality and sound and everything is good on this camera. It came the other day, but it was rainy and cold. First it was in the 80s, I think Friday, today's Sunday, and then rainy and cold yesterday, Saturday. Here, this is an easier way right here. Yeah.
I'm going to follow what he just did. That looks easier. That looks easier for me. Yeah, that's easier. I'm young. I can do the hard way. Haley. Go that way.
Now, first time I was ever here, first time I was ever here, this falls was mad crazy. I got video of it. I came down here. But it's so nice down here. Let's see if we can get on this big rock right here. Now, when I came here, the first time I ever seen these falls, this rock, you could not see it. These falls get crazy. Falls way up there too. Flip you around again here. Alright everybody, I'm going to end this video with this camera. We're going to start with the normal camera down here and then walk back up and go to the overlook. Like I said, I hope the sound quality and the video quality is okay on this camera. I didn't spend a lot on it, so I'm not expecting greatness, but I hope it's okay. Alright everybody, God bless. Peace out. See you soon. I promise.